Greetings to you all children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn Unit 4 Prose, that is My Reminiscence, written by Rabindranath Tagore. In previous class we learnt about the author and outline of the lesson. Today we can learn detailedly in your textbook. First we can see about what is reminiscence. A reminiscence is a story told about the past event by the narrator. Okay, reminiscence is a past memories in your life. All the reminiscence is there. Okay, now we can see about the author. Rabindranath Tagore, he burned in 1861 and died in 1941. He received a Nobel Prize winning Bengali poet. He is an author, songwriter, philosopher, artist and educator who wrote Geetanjali in 1912. My Reminiscence, 8 parts and 44 reminiscence. This is a 32nd reminiscence. Were written and published in his 50th year, shortly before he started on a trip to Europe and America for his falling health in 1912. Here, 8 parts. Reminiscence means 8 parts and 44 reminiscence. This is a 32nd reminiscence. Now we can see in detail the lesson. When I returned home from the outset of the second voyage to England, my brother Chodendra and sister-in-law were living in a riverside villa at Chandran Nahur, and there I went to stay with them. Here, author returned second voyage. He is returned home from the second voyage to England, and brother name is Chodendra and his wife is there. Both are living in the riverside at Villa Chandran Nahur, and author is stayed with the brother. The Ganges again and again, those ineffable day and night, languid with joy, sad with longing, attuned to the plaintive babbling to the river along the cool shade of its wooden banks. Here, ineffable means beyond expression, too great to be expressed. Languid means moving slowly. Here, Ganges means is a Ganga river. I have given the images down. Here, Ganga river is flowing very joyful and sadly, and plaintive babble means is a sounding sound. Okay, while the river is flowing, it getting sound. Okay, that is called the plaintive and babbling river along the cool shade with the wooden banks. Wooden banks means two sides we having the so many trees and plants. That is called the wooden banks. Okay, here describing about the nature. Okay, here first two images is there, no, describing about the nature. The author, this Bengal is sky full of lights, this south breeze, this flow of the river, this right loyal laziness, this broad leisure stretching from horizon to horizon and from green earth to blue sky. All these were to me as a food and drink to the hungry and thirsty. Here the author is describing about the nature, the sky full of light, the south. In south, a breeze air is coming, the flow of air, right loyal laziness, and stretching in first images you see, stretching from horizon to horizon, from green earth is blue sky. These author is describing about the nature and telling the nature is a food for to the author and drink to the hungry and tasty. Here he felt indeed like home. Here the author telling he is for a sake, a brother house is situated in the riverside. Okay, for that sake he telling here he felt indeed like a home, and these I recognize a ministration of a mother. Ministration means act of helping or caring. A mother compared to the nature. Okay, ministration is a caring. Okay, author feels like a motherhood. The nature is a motherhood. He feels like a motherhood about the nature. Okay, in first two paragraph you detailedly you understood, I think so. First, both are living, author brother living in the riverside in Villa Chandran Nahur, and author going to stay with them to with the brother, and he describing about the river and describing about the nature. First describing the Ganga river, how the river is flowing, how the river is with a joy and sad, and then plaintive babble, the river is cool shade of the wooden bank, and he describing the nature. how the nature is. See, I given the two images. How the nature is: sky full of lights. In south, the breeze air is coming, and the flow of the river, and the right royal laziness, and the broad leisure. Broad leisure means is freeness and stretching the horizon to horizon. Okay, from green earth to blue sky. She describing the first images. Okay, this is called the ministration of mother. Okay, so we can see the third paragraph. That was not so very long ago, and yet time was wrought many changes. Our little riverside nest clustering under the surrounding greenery have been replaced by mills which now dragon like everywhere rearer the hissing heads bleaching forth black smoke. Here so many, first we can see the greenery, and the greenery has changes most. Here our little riverside nest, so many in the riverside, so many homes are there. Now it replaced the house, and the greenery are replaced by the mills. See the second images, all these replaced by the mills. It seeing like a dragon like, and the hissing heads bleaching forth black smoke. Okay, here rout means caused, clustering form a group, and bleaching it air come up. Okay, in the midway glare the modern life, even 1 hour the mental sister have been narrowed down to the lowest limit, and hydra headed unrest have invaded every department of life. Maybe this is a better, but I for one cannot account it wholly to the good. Here in the afternoon 1 hour they have the after it where every families it will be get afternoon rest, isn't it? That and all it get down, narrow down, and limit lowest limit. And hydra headed means with many problems in all the department, they having many problems, they having the better, but I one cannot account for the wholly to the goods. And these lovely days for of mine, the riverside passed by like so many dedicated lotus blossom and floating down from the sacred stream. Here so many riverside dedicated lotus are floating in the stream. Some rainy afternoon I spent the veritable frenzy singing away in the old Vaishnava song to my tunes, accompanying myself on the harmonium. One afternoon the author is in the rainy season, they're singing the Vaishnava song and composing the harmony with the own itself. And another afternoon he drifted along with a boat with a brother of Chodandra, accompanying with the singing with the violin and the beginning with the Poravai 50. We went on various mode of the music. With the declining day, we saw on reaching of Beha the western sky close the door of factory of golden toys, and the moon of the eastern rise over the frenching trees. Okay, and another afternoon traveling with the brother in the boat, they are singing, the author is singing together and the brother is winding. Puravai Beha means is a relics. Okay, whenever they traveling the relics will be changed, and the clouds are fully the factory golden smokes. Golden toys means is a full of smoke. Okay, the greenery turn into the factories. Okay, now you understood, I think so. First stanza என்ன பார்த்தோம், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபுல்லாக க்ரீனரியாக இருந்தது. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபுல்லாகவே அந்த க்ரீனரி, அந்த ஹவுஸ் எல்லாமே என்னவா சேஞ்ச் ஆகிடுச்சு, இட் ரீப்ளேஸ் டு த ஃபேக்ட்ரி. எல்லாமே அந்த க்ரீனரி ஃபுல்லாகவே அந்த கங்கா ரிவர் பக்கத்தில் ஃபுல்லாகவே க்ரீனரி எல்லாமே போயிடுச்சு. ஹவுசஸ் எல்லாமே என்னவாயிடுச்சு, மில்ஸ் ஆகிடுச்சு. அந்த ஃபேக்ட்ரியிலேருந்து வர ஸ்மோக் எல்லாமே க்ளவுட் ஃபுல்லாகவே கோல்டன் டாய்ஸாக வந்து ரீப்ளேஸ் ஆகிடுச்சு. ஓகே, அதில் வந்து ரொம்ப பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக வந்து ஆத்தர் வந்து இதில் வந்து சொல்லியிருப்பார். ஓகே, ஐ கிவன் சம் மோர் நியூ வேர்ட்ஸ் ஹியர். சிஸ்டா மீன்ஸ் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் ரெஸ்ட். ஹைட்ரா ஹெட்டட் மீன்ஸ் வித் மெனி ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். வெர்டிபிள் அன்யூஷுவல் திங்ஸ். And frenzy uncontrolled excitement. Drift means move slowly. French means edge. Okay, in another class, in next class we continue the next pages. Okay, we have 3 or 4 paragraph is there. We can continue in next class. I think so you understood the 4 paragraph and read out the 4 paragraph in your textbook, page number 93. We finished now page number 93. Okay, today you have the assignment. Read out the glossary in page number 94. You having the glossary. Revise all these glossary and draw about nature. Okay, any nature you can draw. Okay, if you have any doubt you can message me. Thank you.